baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, Petal is Bless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys two cute and fun little candle holders that I'll be making. But first of all, I'd like to give a shout out to one of my supporters. Her name is Simone. I seen her this past weekend when I went into a hair store to buy things. And she was in there and she said hello to me. Thank you so much for saying hi, Simone. And thank you also for supporting my channel. Alright, let's get into the items that we'll be using for this DIY, you guys. Okay, we got these cute little candle holders from the Dollar Tree. And we have our flower candle holders from the Dollar Tree. And we have some bling wrap here. And some silver bling wrap also. I'm not sure which one I'll be using. And we have the flower bling wrap. We have our scissors. And our E6000. And our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we're going to start by using the silver bling wrap, which I've cut into strips. And we're just going to glue them along these little legs here of our candle holder. And now we're going to take our flower bling wrap and just place it going around the bottom part of our candle holder. And now using our E6000 and our glue gun, we're going to place the flower candle holder on top of our black candle holder stand. Alright you guys, I have another fun little candle holder that I'll be making for my daughter. She liked these items that I got, then she asked me to make her a cute little candle holder. So I'll leave everything that I use in the description box below. So now we're going to take our candle holder jar and our flowers and just glue them together. So we're gluing the flowers on both on each side. Then we're going to glue the candle holder to the tray. And just place them down. Then we're going to add some little gems going around. And then we're going to add our little bling wrap stones going around also. And here's our finished look, you guys. I like how the two black candle holders turned out, all blinged out very nice. But the little cute one I made for my daughter in the center, I got up this morning when I left it overnight to dry with the glue gun and the E6000, and it has a crack, you guys. I don't know why. If it was already broken, I didn't realize it when I bought it, or if the glue did something to it. But you know, it's cracked, OMG. But anyways, I like how these two turned out. I think they turned out very nice, all blinged out with the legs, which are nice. See, here's the crack, you guys. You see it? Right down the center, from the front all the way to the back on the other side. So I'm gonna have to take it apart, and the jar itself is good, just the plate part is broken. So I'll just separate it and use it again. And anyways, like I was saying, I like how the two little black ones turned out with the flower candle holder on top. I think they look really cute. And here they are again. I just placed a candle within the cute one I made for my daughter, the round one. I think I'm going to have to get another plate from Dollar Tree and then just make it back over for her again. Because I do like how it turned out. It looks very cute for her room. And I really like how these two turned out. Alright everyone, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think. Give me a like, a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed. From Petal is Blessed. Bye bye everyone.